we're going to combine together the elbow pose stand, the back bend, and the bows and arrows stand. We're going to put everything together from this series right now. The way up the pole, I let you choose which way you prefer. It doesn't matter if you cannot press your way up the pole. You can always use this way up the pole at the beginning if it makes you feel more comfortable. This time I'm going to use the split up the pole. You use the way you want and you follow me. We're going to do it all together. I'm going to bring my bum up, leg up, into my split. I can bring my leg into the straddle. I can play with some wavy legs. And from here, I can get into my nice stand, which I will start pressing my chest away. Get into my back bend. Catch the pole. Bring my elbow to the pole. And come down into my nice bow and arrow pose. And then I can keep up with my floor work.